What's going on, Coldwater Nation? It's Geoff. Today, we're at a kind of a man-made waterfall, but in reality, it used to be part of an old mill. You can see it behind me. We're gonna be going down below the falls. I'll take you guys down there in just a second, but this spot is pretty well known for its wild brook trout and stock brown trout. So let's get after it. Yeah. There he goes.
Oh my God, look at that! Look at that trout!
The squirmy worm is an effective and very deadly fly.
What's up, guys? My name's Brian.
And I'm Geoff.
And you're watching Empire Coldwater. Let's rip some lips.
This video is brought to you in part by Upstate Excursions and by Black Dog Outdoor Sports. That's a big one. Snagging his tail. Get you so I can get you unhooked. In the mouth. That's not good. Let's get you back out there. Well, guys, we've been fishing at the falls quite a while. I think it's time we move to another spot. Another couple hours of daylight. Let's head over to Geyser Brook and see what else we can find. We did end up hooking into a few brookies, but unfortunately, ones we hooked into, we ended up accidentally snagging them. Not my favorite, not what I wanted to happen today. So we're gonna pack up and we're gonna head over to the next spot. We're gonna head over to Geyser and see if we can get ourselves some nice brown trout. Welcome back, guys. We've made it to Geyser Brook. On the way over, it has started to rain. As impossible as that sounds, it was a bright blue sky and now it's raining. But we're gonna see if that improves the fishing any, but we got our spots that we're gonna hit here, and then if we don't hit anything here, then just try again another day. It just wasn't meant to happen. So let's see if we can get some fish. Wow, this little brown was ferocious. I'll hold him up for you guys to see. Little guy, but a ton of fun nonetheless. All right, see you later, buddy. All right, well, let's see if any more of his friends are still here. Yep. Oh, there was. Dang. Got one. We missed the second. The second was much bigger. Rock snot's really started to take a hold for the summer. I used to be able to walk around on these and my other waders without sliding around so much. Yeah, so you got those there. Then usually there's one somewhere up here near that tree limb using it as cover. And then who knows how many are up in the pool. Yep. Almost always. Always one. Wow, he's a fighter. Come here, little buddy. Nice. Another little brown trout par on the stone. Look at that, guys. Just a nice little beautiful brown trout par. Send him on his way. Well, let's see if there's any more chilling down in that. Really? Right away, huh? Oh, dang. Yeah, it was a good one too. No way, I got him back to back. That's funny. On the lower fly this time. Nice. A little bit better of a brown. Got himself unhooked. Check out that brown, guys. 3 in a row. Such beautiful colors. This guy's definitely a male, but look how calm. These guys are so entertaining. There he goes. Fantastic. I am having a ball. Another one. What do you know? Oh my. On the stone again. So many brown trout par today. Where's your bigger boy? Where's your bigger buddies, huh? Another beautiful little par, guys. These trout are funny today. Must be a whole slew of them packed in there. That's a little better one. Oh, dang. Oh well. I'd say that's well and truly fished over. We had 6 hookups in this tiny pool in front of us. That's actually insane. It makes my day so much better. But let's see if the bigger guys are hiding in the pool just beyond me here. Another small brown trout on the little midge. On the little midge. What a greedy fish. What another beautiful little brown trout, guys. It's full of energy. Let's let him go. Whee! That's a brown.
Is that about how big they are in here?
For the most part. I've caught some bigger ones.
Those are wild ones, right?
No, those are, at that size, yes, those are wild. The bigger ones are the stockers. The 9 and 10 inchers, those are mostly stockers. If they're that size, that's brood stock. That's ones that have been in here for a while. I've caught a number of par today.
The other day, it was probably the biggest brook trout I ever caught, 11 inches.
Oh, it's better than mine. I think mine best is about 9. But I caught it way up in, yeah, look at crayfish. That's what the trout will eat. The bigger trout will eat them.
Yeah? You're putting them back, Jason? You're not gonna eat them?
I'm not gonna eat them.
There's no way. I would not eat a mud bug. Not off of this. Well, guys, that's about it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Today was a struggle. We ended up snagging a couple brookies, which I didn't really want to do. It was accidental. But they were beautiful. They were big, so we're hoping to, when this rain decides to finally stop, we're hoping to, when the water gets a little bit lower, a little bit calmer, hopefully we can go over there and catch ourselves at least a decent brookie. I haven't caught one in a long time, so it would be nice. And caught a number of brown trout here. Nothing huge, but it was always fun. Little guys, sometimes you just need a day on a creek with little guys, and it's a huge confidence booster to have caught a whole bunch of trout on the same fly as I was struggling to catch trout on earlier this year. So huge confidence booster for me. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It probably won't be very long, but hope you see you around for the next one. Tight lines, everybody.
We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like what you saw today, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.
Thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time.
Until then, tight lines, everybody.